Hi, this is Ferella from Any House Cleaning. We were called to do an estimate for this extension of the clubhouse right here in Davenport, Florida. So this is the new extension, and we have to clean dust and of course clean all the windows in and out, removing all the splashes, paint, fine dust. I don't know if you can see. Somebody's gonna polish the concrete and do the ceiling, and I hope that they do it really good and they don't have to splash the sealer on the baseboards. They have to finish. The electrician needs to come and do the final painting. A lot of ceiling fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So brand new windows. Cleaning in and out. A lot of fine dust because it's a construction. There is a way to take it out. Remove the screens and cleaning really good. This is the final cleaning plus window in and out. All windows are new. Remove labels, clean baseboards, clean really good all the frame. Check it out, this fine paint, tape. This is some tape. You can see it this way. In and out. So this is an area of (24 by 8) and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 windows. This is all smudge. Maybe they're gonna replace that. Okay. Hi.
Okay?
Okay, excellent. Thank you, sir.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.